tasty vittles. That's good.
So I have a quick and easy New Year's Eve appetizer, crab Rangoon dip. This is going to be 2 blocks of cream cheese, and then a half a cup of sour cream, 1 cup of Kewpie mayo, about 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we're going to get that in the mixer and get that blended up. So it looks a little thin to me, so I'm going to go in and add 2 more blocks of cream cheese. Now to that we're going to add, I have 1 bunch of green onions and 6 ounces of imitation crab meat, minced. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of freshly shredded cheese. I have half and half Monterey Jack and mozzarella cheese. Give that a mix. Once that's all combined, we're going to pour that into a dish.
Cleanup crew doing his job.
Now you're going to get that spread out. And now you're going to top that with more cheese. Probably about another cup. Now we're going to pop this in the pizza oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. So for this dip, you can use sweet chili Thai sauce. I prefer homemade sweet and sour. The recipe will be in the description.